Hello student, good morning. Welcome once again your chemistry section. Now today start with your next unit. The name of unit is coordination compound. Under this unit to study the various topic like coordination compound, difference between the coordination compound double salt, some important terms arise in the coordination compound nomenclature, writing formula of molecular coordination, naming isomerism on coordination compound, structure, stereoisomerism, bonding in coordination compound, valence bond theory in coordination compound, magnetic property of coordination compound, crystal field theory, color of coordination compound, organometallic compound, stability of coordination compound. These are the various topics to study under this unit. Okay student, now start. Now start with your first article, that is your coordination compound. In this unit to study about your regarding the transition metals and all these transition metals participation in the formation of complex compound, and also study about the organometallic compound in with a containing your carbon and metal bond, that is your organometallic compound. Now first is your coordination compound. So firstly to understand the term here arises a complex ion. So generally the complex ion, that is the electrical charge species, but they carry the positive and negative charges, and in which the central metal atom or ion is surrounded by a fixed number of ions or molecule, that is known as your complex ion. Okay, like your complex ion, this is your complex ion. Okay, electrically charged species, that is your positive or negative charges here arises, in which the central metal ion is your iron and is surrounded by the fixed number of ions or molecule, that is your 6 molecules of cyanide, and this is the example for complex ion. And the complex ion does not dissociate into simple ions in aqueous solution. So here the term the coordination compound, that is may be defined as coordination compounds are those compounds which contain complex ion and the compound contain a central metal atom or cation which is attached with a fixed number of anions or molecules, that is called as a ligand through a coordinated bond. So simply this is your coordination compound examples. Generally this like a complex ion structure, but here the central metal atom or ion which surrounded with a fixed number of molecule or ions or ligands, but this attached with the central metal ion through a coordinated bond. So that's why they called as a coordination bond, the coordination compound. Is your difference between the coordination compound and double salt. So firstly, to understand the concept of double salt generally prepared by the double salt is generally prepared with the two different compounds and evaporating to dryness. So here example here potassium, you can see here that is combined with two different salt saturated solution in equimolar ratio and to convert the double salt. And here's another definition like a double salt is normally formed the two salt, that is mixed in equimolar ratio and form their solution, that is known as double salt. And this is your stable in a solid state but break into a constituent ion when dissolved in a water. Okay, so here some example, that is your Mohr salt, ferric amalgam and chrome amalgam, ये general potassium, Mohr salt. These are the examples of your double salt. Now next is your the difference between So here difference between, so you can see here the difference between double salt and coordination compound. Double salt are generally formed from the two salt mixed in equimolar ratio, and coordination compound simple salt may or may not be mixed in a equimolar ratio. Double salt exist in solid state, and in aqueous they dissociate into ions. But coordination compound do not lose their identity in solid state as well as in aqueous solution, and they do not dissociate into ions. Double salt, that is consist of the ionic nature. Coordination compound is the complex part. Species presents are linked with metal atom or ion by the coordinated bond. The properties of double salt are those of constituting the ion present, but coordination compounds, a property of complex part enclosed in square brackets, are quite different from those of the constituent present. Double salt metal ion shows their normal valency, but coordination compounds there are quite different valencies. Next is your some definition here. Some terms arises in under the coordination compound. So first is your coordination complex, an entity, a complex coordinated sphere. So it states that a coordination complex or entity is a species enclosed in a square bracket. It is also called coordination sphere. Some examples of this, some examples, some complexes may be cationic, anionic, or neutral in a nature, but coordination sphere, it contains a certain metal, atom, or ion with a fixed number of neutral molecules or ions capable of donating the electron. Donate electron pairs are linked with a coordination bond, and this is known as a ligand, and this is your complex ion, a complex sphere. So cation complexes anion and neutral. Complex ion, they carry the general positive charge is known as cationic complex. This is your cationic complex, that is carry a positive charge in a bracket, a coordinate sphere. Anionic complexes, that is carry the negative charges on the square bracket. You can see here negative, negative, negative. Neutral complexes, in addition to cation and anionic complex, there are certain neutral complexes and also which have the non-net charges. So you can see here addition of these cationic and anionic complexes to form the neutral, and that is a no carry the any charges. You can see here they carry the no charges. So this is called as a neutral complex. Next is your central metal or ion. In coordination complex, the metal atom or ion to which a fixed number of molecules or ions are attached by coordination bond, that is known as central atom or ion. Here example, you can see here cobalt ion is the central metal ion because they are connected if attached with a fixed number of ammonia molecules with a carrying the two positive charges. Next is your ligand or electron donor species is also called. So ligands are the electron donor molecules or ions which may be either neutral or anionic as well as cationic, and they are linked with a central metal atom or ion by the coordinated bond is also called David bond. Because ligands is also called electron donor species because they donates the electron to a central metal ions and to form a bond with a central metal atom or coordinated electron donor species. So sometimes that's why they called as a electron donor species. So that's classified into two types of ligands. So that is classifying different type of ligands. So that is a depend upon the classification, the number of donors or atom, number of donor atoms or ions present with a coordination. So first is your unidentate or monodentate ligand. This states that they have the one donor atom with a lone pair of electron and may be either neutral or anionic species. Here one donor atoms with a lone pair of electron. So you can see here neutral water molecules, ammonia, and anionic, that is your OH, cyanide, halogen, carboxylate ions, nitrate, nitrogen ions. These are the some examples for anionic and neutral species. This is example your unidentate and monodentate ligand. Similarly, bidentate ligand, these are the ligands which have two donor atoms and have the ability to link with a central atom or ion at a two position. So that's why they called as a bidentate or didentate ligand. Oxalate, ethylene diamine, glycinate sulfate ion, carbonate ion, dimethyl glycosine, DMG. So this is all the examples of your bidentate ligand. Similarly, then the polydentate ligand. So polydentate ligand states that a ligand with more than two donor atom is called polydentate ligand or multidentate ligand. So you can see here, this is your 3 donor atom, this is your 4 donor atom. So that's why they called as a polydentate ligand, because more than 2 donor atom is called polydentate or multidentate ligand. EDTA is your example, pentadentate ligand, tridentate ligand, tetradentate ligand. So all these are the examples your polydentate ligand. So thank you and have a nice day, student.